Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Appam. It's also known as Palappam, Vellayappam in Kerala. The speciality of this Appam is this takes less time when compared to traditional way of making. I have used beaten rice or poha to make this Appam. Appam is so soft and spongy. Without further ado, let's get started. Take 2 cups of raw rice and soak it for 2 hours. I have cleaned the raw rice in water before soaking. The rice is soaked well. Now add in 1 cup of beaten rice. This is also known as poha or Aval. Soak the beaten rice for 10 minutes. Rice is soaked and drain the water. Now let's prepare the Appam batter. In a mixing jar, I am taking half the quantity of the soaked rice. Add in half a cup of coconut. Totally we need 1 cup of coconut. Grind it nicely into a smooth paste by adding water. Since we are using mixer grinder, you can use ice water while grinding. This should be the consistency of the batter, so add in water accordingly and grind well. Now I am going to grind the remaining rice. Add in remaining half a cup of coconut. In goes 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Active dry yeast only helps in fermentation. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Grind it into a smooth batter by adding water. Approximately it will take 1/3 cup of water. This should be the consistency of batter, so add in water accordingly. We do not need to ferment this batter for overnight, so that's the speciality of this Appam. Cover the batter and leave it to ferment for 2 hours. It takes 50% of time when compared to the traditional way of making Appam. My amma has made this Appam with rice flour. This is very easy to make and super delicious. We served it with beef curry and I'll share this recipe soon in our channel. Look at it friends, after 2 hours of fermentation, the batter has doubled in volume. If you're living in cold country means the fermentation will take a little more time. The Appam batter is bubbling and looks perfect. Mix the batter gently and this should be the consistency of the batter friends. After fermentation, add in salt as needed. So we should add salt once the batter is fermented. Mostly avoid adding water at this point of time, but if you find the batter is thick means you can add very little water. Rest the batter for 15 minutes. Appam batter is ready now and I am going to prepare Appam. Heat the Appam pan and grease it with oil. Pour a ladle of batter and give it a swirl like this. We have to rotate the pan like this so that the batter spreads evenly. Cover it with the lid and cook the Appam. Appam is cooked perfectly and I am removing it. I am trying to make flower shape Appam now. It's better to use this Appam batter on the same day. Flower shape Appam is ready now. Isn't it so easy to make friends? We serve this Appam with potato green peas curry and coconut milk. Appam can be served for breakfast and dinner. Appam tastes best with beef curry, chicken and mutton curry. Look at it friends, how soft the Appam has turned out. Do give a try and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.